I have a friend. His name is Alex. He is my best friend. We are both 20 years old. We live in the same town. We go to the same school. We like many things. We like music, books, and walking. We always have fun together. One day I wake up early. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. I feel happy. I do not have class today. I want to do something fun. I think about my friend Alex. I say, I want to see Alex today. I pick up my phone. I call Alex. He answers the phone. I say, Hi, Alex. How are you? He says, I am good. What about you? I say, I am good too. Do you want to go for a walk? He says, Yes, I want to go. Where do you want to go? I think for a moment. Then I say, Let's go to the city. There are many things to see. Alex says, That's a good idea. I like the city. There are shops and cafes. We can walk and talk. I say, Great. What time can you go? Alex says, I can go at 10 o'clock. I say, Okay. I will meet you at the bus stop. He says, Which bus stop? I say, The one near the park. Alex says, Yes, I know that place. I will see you there. I ask, Do you want to bring water? He says, Yes, I will bring a bottle of water. It is hot today. I say, I will bring my camera. We can take pictures. I go to the kitchen. I eat some bread and eggs. I drink a glass of milk. I feel ready. I take my bag. I put my phone, my wallet, and my camera inside. I look at the clock. It is 9:30. I say, I will leave now. I walk to the bus stop. There are a few people there. Some people sit on the bench. Some people stand. I look around. I see a cat near a tree. The cat is white and small. I smile. Then I see Alex. He walks to me. He smiles. I say, Hi, Alex. He says, Hi, are you ready? I say, Yes, let's wait for the bus. We look at the street. We wait for the bus. The bus comes after 10 minutes. It is blue and white. We get on the bus. We sit next to each other. We talk and laugh. The plan is simple, but we are happy. A walk in the city can be a small thing, but with a friend, it is always special. We sit on the bus and talk. The ride to the city takes 20 minutes. We look out the window. There are many things to see. We see trees, houses, and people on bicycles. We also see a big park and a school. When we arrive in the city, we get off the bus. The city is loud. There are many cars and many people. Some people walk fast. Some people talk on their phones. There are big buildings on both sides of the street. I say, the city is very busy. Alex says, Yes, but it is also fun. What do you want to see first? I say, Let's walk and see what is there. We walk slowly. We look at many things. There are shops with clothes, shoes, and toys. There are people selling fruit on the street. I see apples, bananas, and oranges. I ask, how much are the apples? The man says 3 apples for $1. I say, that is a good price. Alex sees a street artist. The artist paints pictures. There are paintings of flowers, people, and the city. Alex says, these are very nice. I want to buy one. He buys a small picture of a flower. I say, it is beautiful. Then we see a big bookstore. Alex says, look, that is a big bookstore. I say, yes, let's go inside. We go into the bookstore. There are many books. The store is quiet. There are many chairs. Some people sit and read. We look at the books. I like books about travel. Alex likes books about animals. I find a book with pictures of mountains. Alex finds a book about cats and dogs. We read some pages. We do not buy any books, but we enjoy looking at them. There is also a small cafe inside the bookstore. We say, maybe we can eat here later. We leave the bookstore and walk more. We see a big clock tower. We take pictures with the clock. We also see a busker playing music. He plays the guitar. I say he plays well. Alex says, yes, let's give him some money. We give him a coin. We keep walking. There is so much to see. The city is full of life. We talk, laugh, and enjoy every moment. After the bookstore, we feel hungry. I say, let's find something to eat. Alex says, good idea. I want a sandwich. We walk down the street and look for a place to eat. There are many cafes. Some are big, some are small. I ask, where do you want to eat? Alex says, let's go to that small cafe on the corner. We walk into the cafe. It is quiet and clean. There are 4 tables. 2 people sit at one table. A man stands near the counter. He smiles at us. I say, hello. He says, hello. What can I get for you? I look at the menu. There are sandwiches, cakes, and drinks. I ask, do you have chicken sandwiches? The man says, yes, we do. I say, I will take 1 chicken sandwich and a glass of orange juice. Alex says, I want a cheese sandwich and apple juice. We sit at a table near the window. We can see people walking outside. The man brings our food. I say, thank you. He says, you're welcome. The food smells good. I take a bite of my sandwich. It is warm and tasty. I say, this sandwich is very good. Alex eats his sandwich. He says, yes, mine is good too. We drink our juice. It is cold and sweet. I ask, do you want to share a cake? Alex says, yes, let's try the chocolate cake. We go to the counter and ask, can we have 1 piece of chocolate cake? The man says, of course. He gives us 1 slice on a small plate. We sit again and eat the cake. It is soft and sweet. We smile. We feel full and happy. I ask, how many people are in the cafe now? Alex looks around and says, There are 6 people now. I say, it is a nice place. I want to come back. Alex says, yes, me too. We sit and talk for a little more. Then I look at the time. I say, it is late. We should go home. Alex says, okay, let's go. We thank the man and leave the cafe. The sun is still shining. We walk to the bus stop. On the way, we talk about the day. I say, this day was fun. Alex says, yes, I had a great time. We get on the bus and sit down. We are tired but happy.